activation session. Do we have Gail? Is it Gail online? Let me see. Okay, let me see if I can make you. Okay, I can't make you a co-host. All right. Good evening, everyone. So let's start. It's 8 p.m. UK time and 10 p.m. Moscow at the moment. How are you? How are you today? Tell me where you're from. Just type in the chat and let me know where you're from. First of all, can you all hear me nicely and clear? Can you hear me nice and clear? Can you hear me, guys? Just put a plus if you can hear me. Okay, very clear, brilliant, nice, lovely. Great stuff. So today, the purpose of today is for activation. I want to help people who have purchased DM package and data mining package and have not been able to activate it, or they don't know how to connect it, or if you have any other question, this is the webinar for you guys. Okay, this webinar is for you. It's not a presentation about the data mining. We're going to have a worldwide presentation with some news this Friday. So today is all about activations. I want you to ask me anything about the data mining and any technical issues that you are having. And the whole point of today, so that we can do like a workshop, we can do more of a hands-on, and and then we can start to solve some issues that you might have. Also, if you are here for the first time, and then maybe you want to purchase an EIP data mining, and you don't know how to do it, also we can show it to you how to do it. Okay. All right, I can see Ethiopia, South Africa. Okay, no one from UK. So I can see, obviously, I know girls from UK, USA, I can see. Poland, Latvia. Wow, we've got international audience here. Okay, so guys, who want to go first? Who have the best thing would be to have someone who wants and willing to share their screen, who is having a problem, and they're willing to share their screen, and then we can do a demonstration and we can help you like that. Is that okay? How many of you who are willing, who are having issues maybe, and you are willing to share your screen, and we can demonstrate, we can help you live, okay? If you are the person, please just write your name, put a comment, and then I will open your microphone, and then I will allow you to also share your screen. Okay. Okay, let me see. Me. Okay, so I don't have any issues. Okay, you can see Sabalala. So is any of you having the issues or want me to answer something for them, okay, about the data mining? So I can see Michael. Is it Michael? Michal? Yeah. So he says, Michal, wait a minute. Just give me a minute to find you where you are. Okay.
Well,
okay, Michael, you can unmute yourself, and then I will allow you to share. You can unmute yourself, Michael, because you said that in the chat that you can do it. If not, we go to the next person, and then we can come back to you. Okay. me see.
Hello, everybody.
Okay, great. I can see you unmuted yourself. Is that
Yes,
Michael? Is that Michael? Yeah.
Yes, of course. My name is Michael. Yes, this is translation from Polish because my Polish name is very difficult. So now I can share my screen account, and I can show for everybody this back office of data mining. And from the beginning, I have one question: when will start digital double? Like next part of that, like next part of artificial intelligence.
Okay. So that's the question of digital when it's launching. The digital double is planned to launch this month. Okay, we're going to start with the API the API digital double. Okay, but do you have any technical issue with your data mining, or is working fine?
Yes, I have a technical one technical question. It is about future. Today we have great news. Today we have great news. Very soon we will be able to get another profile on YouTube, and this profile for us can share can find with the artificial intelligence next people for us. I mean, like now we have LinkedIn. Yeah, LinkedIn is that my profile has looking for for my business some next people, some next body who can be interested very much about our business, about what is this new economic evolution of the world. And I have a business license, so I can have I can have a lot of profiles, and every another one can looking for me somebody who is interesting to have a business with me. So that database is growing up, and this is very interesting news about YouTube. Then we have looking for somebody on YouTube, because this is about our income. That is mean.
Yes. Okay. All right. Okay, Michael. So today's yes, great. The CEO of the Digital Double kind of put in a snippet on Facebook about that, but we're gonna discuss that on Friday. So in today's session, I just want to solve some issues people have with our current social network we have and LinkedIn. So we just want to focus, okay, our direction just on that. And then you on Friday, you will hear a lot of other good news, which is also one of those that the CEO managed to just chap in there. But we'll be discussed more on Friday. Yes. So if you have any specific issue you want to discuss right now with the link with connected to LinkedIn and data mining or not?
No, at this moment, this is enough.
Okay, brilliant. Thank you very much for a little bit of your contribution. So basically, let me just repeat, guys. For the whole point of today, as you've seen in the title, is activation. So because what happened is many people have purchased they have purchased the data mining packages, but they have not been able to activate it, or maybe they are not sure. So in today's call, it's all about, if you're not sure about it, ask the question. Maybe I will give you a good enough reason to activate it. And if you want to activate it and you don't know how, and I'm here also to show you along the way. But I am requesting that if you're willing to share also your screen while we're solving your problem, so that other people can learn from that. Is that okay? Is that okay? Yeah. So in here, please, if you have any issue with the data mining, let me ask a question actually. Here, tap in the chat, put a plus if you have a data mining, and tap a minus if you don't have a data mining. Just put in the chat if you have a data mine, put a plus, and if you don't have it, just put a minus. Okay, I see many people have it. Good. Oh, brilliant. And please mute yourself if you are not speaking, because we want to be able to hear everybody else. All right. So I can see Howard Bush. You put your hands up. Let me try to see if I can unlock or unmute you. Do you have any concern about the DM or something you want us to help you with? Howard, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah, brilliant. Howard,
yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm John in the United States, Johnstown, Pennsylvania.
Okay, sorry, I see on our screen that like Howard Bush. All right, cool. So John, so you have any specific question about the data mining and any issue, any technical issue that you want us to help you with? Or to
yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah, good.
Okay, good. Actually, I was trying to log in before I asked my question, but if you can direct me to a video, because I purchased it, but I haven't activated it yet.
Brilliant.
On LinkedIn.
Amazing. So do you want me to show it to you now live? And
yes, that would be great.
And also, are you willing to share? Because it would be good. You can share your screen, then I can show you exactly what you need to do, and everybody else can take. They can see it live, because that's the whole point of today's workshop, is to help people like yourself, which you are a brilliant example, to activate it. You know.
Okay.
So can you like share your screen, because I will need basically what you need. You need, if you have purchased it, I need to see your back office of API. So I will show you the way you don't need to show all the details. You're only gonna need the details that you need to. Okay, but there is one thing that I want you to hide first. Okay. There is a long number. I will guide you step by step. So if you can share your screen, first log in, okay? And then if you can share, then share, and then
okay.
Okay, cool. While you're doing that, let me see other people. There's some other people writing. Okay, so test phase. So we're gonna have a look at your situation, because if you bought the DM, have you activated? That's the thing, because have you connected to the LinkedIn? Okay, so we're gonna have a look again your specific issues, because what I've noticed, sometimes people have purchased the EIP and then they did not connect it to the LinkedIn, so it can't generate people, it can't add people if you have not connected to your LinkedIn. But we're going to have a look at that while John is waiting to connect, to share. Yeah, it's Howard or John?
Howard.
Okay, sorry. So I've heard like John. Okay. I was calling you, right? Yeah. So it depends. You say you can't add my wife on a DM. It depends. It depends how you try to add. So again, we will come back to you once we finish with Howard, and then we see how you've done it. Probably the process it might not have been correct. Okay, so but we try to help you today. Okay. You okay, again? You are unmuted, girl.
Okay, wait a minute. Just a second. I'm sorry.
How are we getting on, Howard?
Okay, I'm trying to. I think I clicked on the wrong thing. Is sharing. Did I share screen or my website?
Yeah, you share your screen. So click on a share screen, and then it will ask you, you know, which screen do you want to share. Just choose the one with the API website.
I was saying Zoom. Give me saying start broadcast. Okay.
What does it say?
It says start broadcast. I'm on my phone.
Are you using a phone or a computer?
I'm on my iPhone.
Okay, yes. And when you're on the phone, sometimes it can be difficult trying to share.
So when it says I clicked on share screen,
yeah,
and then it says give me an option. Where do I want to? It says screen recording, either on Zoom, Skype.
No, you don't want the screen recording. You want to share a page which is open, so it should be able to, you know, to give you a different page. Make sure you have logged in and the page is open when you're trying to share.
Yeah, it's uploaded. It's on. Let me see now.
Okay. If not, while you're waiting, okay, Tesfaye. So can you share your screen? Can you do it while Howard is trying to sort out his screen? Let me see, because he got another issue as well. Pretty much.
Yeah, I try to log on onto my computer instead. No.
Yeah.
Zoom.
Okay. All right. So Sydney, if you have, because Sydney wrote the issue I have with LinkedIn is restricted to my account. I did verification in July. I've been sending the emails with no response. What do you mean? What do you mean restricted your account? Did it block your account? Because if it did, they send you like an email to request from you the steps to verify that it is actually you. Okay. Just if you follow just the instruction, there are some people which it happened to. If you follow the instruction in an email, normal, and you prove that it is you, because they only block your account when they make it suspicious that it could be something, somebody trying to hack your account or something like that. So they just want to verify that it's you. Okay. If you say you did verification, then they haven't sent. Normally within 2 days, they will just sort it out. So you probably need to show me what you've done on the process. Okay. Howard, are you still there?
Yeah, I'm logging on my desktop.
Okay, cool. Tesfaye, are you there? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So can you share your screen? Are you on a desktop?
Yeah, I'm on desktop. First of all, I would like to say thank you, Marsha, and good evening for everyone.
Good evening, man.
All right, let me. My problem is I just activated and everything is working, but
Brilliant. Good stuff.
the problem is when I just want to, I just make it like this. I got
how to provide this, yeah. So yours is connected, yeah.
Yeah, I got friends, but the problem is, my account is mine. I mean, it's mining, but to get the people, I got more friends.
Yeah.
But when I talk to them, they just might, some certain questions.
They start what? Sorry.
Asking me some sort of question. And
yeah. Okay. Because
I mean, they're asking, the friend. Yeah, they're asking me some sort of questions, and I can it depends on the people. So I
Yeah.
don't know how, even I don't have anyone before that is buying them in API.
Yes, guys. This, you see, the whole purpose, and I hope everybody is listening. Really, the whole purpose of these, of connecting our data mining, or buying our data mining and connecting our data mining to our LinkedIn account, and it's not just the people you connect to recruit them in API. Yes, you can, right? But in future, with our API, Digital Double is going to do the job for us. So what happened is, the people we are adding is not just for us that we can communicate with them, because they but nothing can stop you doing that. I will encourage you to just keep adding people. When we come to monetization, that's when the company Digital Double is going to do the job for us. Is the company that's going to be communicating with those people in a database, okay, especially with the API DD, right? And then they will be converting those people onto Frontline. The API Digital Double is going to work to recruit in your Frontline level, okay? Now, another way is that these people we are connecting in the future, the Digital Double company is going to write script, or to have some product or services they're going to sell into this mega brand, because like your account, my account, Howard's account, we all going to be connected to this central database, where the company is going to actually do the advert or sell and stuff, and then it's going to the company is going to share the revenue with us, because we are miner. You see? Okay. So now, those people you are connecting, the digital DM is sending a message. Hey, I can see we have something in common. Can you? I would like you to join my network. A message like that is automatically sent. Now, those people at the other end, they don't know that it is a bot or it is a robot. No, the thing is you. So they reply to you thinking is you. So you can interact. Nothing is stopping you from interacting with them. Like, yeah, hey, great to connect. Thanks for accepting my request for you to join my network. You can interact something small like that, right? But if you go to just straight away and start to attack them, look, we've got a business. I want you to join me. You will be doing it wrong. Okay, it's better build relationship first, and then after you can, once you understand their pain, you can then sell your products or services. But that's not the whole point. Really, the whole point of this. That's why I said to people, never mind whether you speak the connection that coming to you, whether they speak your language or not, because it doesn't matter really in the long run. When we start monetization, these people, they will be purchasing the product, whether they speak your language or you don't speak their language, and then you're gonna get paid for that. That's kind of mindset you guys need to start to think on a bigger picture, on a bigger scale. It's not all about this contact we are attracting, that we are the one who's going to to recruit them manually ourselves. Not necessarily. If you know that API DD is in a process, okay, that alone is going to do the job for you. It's going to be looking in this whole big database, and it's going to be recruiting people from this database who are not part of our business. Okay. So if people have been sending you messages, just reply normally, like just really simple, it's great that you connected with me. I'm looking forward to be working with you. Something like that. That's it. Just to be polite, to show that you are also a human, not just some bot that send the message like that. Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand. Amazing. Yeah. Thank you so much. It inspires me to a lot. And based on this, I got the question, like, I can add, my wife, like, in my account. Okay. When I just try to log in, it says, it expires or something like that. It says that.
Yes. Okay. So now this is what it is. All right. So now if you when you add your account, what did you do? When you added your wife's account, show me how you was doing to add your wife's account. First of all, does your wife have a LinkedIn account?
Right. Yeah, she got it.
Okay, show me how you done.
First, I just sign out, right?
Okay, so you bought a different license for your wife, yeah?
No, I just bought one license.
So you don't need to log out if you want to just add your wife here. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to click, just click add. So you need to add another LinkedIn. You see the blue button that say add?
Here?
Yeah, you click here? Add, yeah.
Okay. So.
Okay, you come here now. Now here, you add the details of your wife. So you put her name there and you put her email, LinkedIn email, okay? And then you put that one, you put the password for her LinkedIn account, yeah? And then you just create. That's what you need to do, right? And then you just do the same process.
I understand. Yeah.
So you don't need to log out because if you log out and you create another account, that means you need another license. Okay, but if you want to add a new license, this is how you need to do it. Yeah.
Exactly. I understand.
Understand? Yeah.
Yeah, I understand very much.
Brilliant, brilliant. Good example. Yeah. Good example because many people are also struggling with this. Great stuff. Thanks a lot for sharing. Yeah. Is that? Do you have any other question related, or you want to?
No, Marshall. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Yes. So if you can stop sharing the screen, amazing. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Nice, good example. So, Howard, are you ready?
Yes.
Brilliant. Okay, cool. So let's if you can share the screen, and I hope you've got your back office ready.
Yes.
Okay, just I'm gonna show you how you can hide some information. Okay, so you see there is a button, there is an arrow at the top. An arrow. See, go to the right, just above Partners Tools.
Okay. Let me
above just Partners Tool tab.
Whoops. Sorry.
Yeah, you stop that. Yeah. You see there is an arrow like that above Partners tab. If you click on it, we just hide those information in the middle. You see that there is a small like grayish arrow. Just click on that. It will just minimize, just shrink. Yeah, that one. That's it. Yeah. So now really the information are not shown there. Yes. So now click on messages. So guys, just hang on there first. So this person, Howard, he has purchased, if you're in the same situation, so we're gonna go through the process. If he has purchased a package, but he has not activated yet. Okay, so we're going through the process. So obviously he has purchased already, so we're not going through the purchase, the process of buying, but he has purchased already, and they have sent him the information he needs to activate. Okay, and we're going to go through the process together. Yes? Okay, good stuff. So now if you scroll a little bit down, and on the left-hand side, you see there's a button say personal. So we need to go to the personal messages.
Okay.
Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Okay, now, Howard, I don't want you now, okay? I don't want you to open these when everybody can see, because if somebody can get that code, they can activate it before you do it, okay? So I don't want you to open this one, but when you're gonna stop sharing the screen, yeah, to do this, and you can follow my guide, and then I would just want you to open the instruction. You can tell me what you see, and then I'll tell you where to click. Okay. So you see the second email, sorry, the second message. Okay.
On the 9th.
Yeah, the one on the 9th. When did you buy the package? Do you remember the date?
No.
I think it's probably one of these 18th of July. You probably that. Yeah.
Right.
So okay, so that one. So first of all, stop sharing the screen. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now I want you to click on that message, the one on 18th of July.
Okay.
All right. So when you click it, what do you see? Don't read the number 3. Just read me there is a number 1. There is instruction.
It says follow the individual link.
Okay, so first of all, click on that individual link and then we open the page. Okay, I just want you to open that.
Okay.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. Number 2, what does it show? What does it tell you?
Add the email and password. Where am I?
Add. No, not on the page. Okay. When you go back to the API back office on the message you open, there is a step. There's one. There is number 2.
Okay. Just I go back.
Yeah. Just go back. I mean, you should be able to have 2 tabs open. You just need to go back to the tab with the API.
Right. And it says how to connect your social network to the mining account.
Sorry?
It says how to connect a social network to your mining account.
Yeah, is that like an instruction, like a guide?
Right. It gives you can click on a link that says follow this individual link or follow the step-by-step instructions.
Right. Yeah. So the number 1 is giving you follow this individual link. Number 2 is telling you that's the second step. Number 2. Okay. So the first step is telling you, okay, click this link because we're gonna need that link in order to create your account with the digital double website. Okay.
Right.
Number 2 is showing you a link. You click, and then you you get instruction. Okay.
Okay.
And I want us those two things to be open.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you can share this screen, but don't share the back office API. Don't share the messages. Okay. Just share those 2, the individual link and the guide, the step-by-step guide.
The link, it gives that code. It's already, should I delete the code out of there?
Yeah, no. That code is invitation code. Just leave that one in there because the invitation code is fine. If no one can use it really to do anything. Is the code that is a number 3 is very important. You don't need to show to anybody.
Okay, that's what shows up in the authorization when you're. But let me see.
No, that one there is a long activation code. Yeah.
Right. Oh, that's the one I should have. Okay, got you.
Yeah. So there is invitation code, but there is activation long one with letters and number. That one you don't need to show. But the one that comes automatically is the invitation code. That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do this then. Okay, I'm going back.
Michael, don't worry, man. Don't worry. Don't worry about languages. We all don't speak. We understand you very well. Don't worry, man. Okay, so if you can share that's it. Good stuff.
That one.
Brilliant. So this one here, right here, this one is instruction. Okay, you can see it's telling you step by step what you need to do. Okay. So we're going now to create a profile. The step number 1, you can see say click on create profile. So now click on the DD personal account. You can see just next to it. You see here. Now we're going to fill out. We're going to create now an account with the digital double website. That's a step number 1 we need to do. Okay. Now this email doesn't have to be the LinkedIn email. This email doesn't have to be. You can use the same email with API.
Okay.
Yeah.
And is this?
Sorry, go on.
Is this a password I'm making up, or is it connected to my?
No. You can put the one for your academy or any password as long as you're gonna remember. It doesn't matter. I hope if you have the same problem, you are doing it as we are doing it, guys. Okay, because this is a workshop, is activation workshop. And thanks a lot to those volunteers who are willing to share their screen and we do it live. Okay, brilliant. And now you don't need to do anything, just click sign up.
Oh.
They say user already exists. So that means you have created an account already with this one. So, okay, that's fine. That's fine. What we need to do, just close that bit and click sign in. Okay, just click sign in. So that means you have created this process already. So what you need to do, do the same email, and maybe it's the same password, you just click sign in. Brilliant. Okay, just click sign in. Great. Okay, so you already got your account with a digital double. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to activate your package. Okay, so this is what you haven't done, is activate your package. Now, do you remember, you can stop sharing the screen, but I'm just gonna guide you. So what you need to do, stop sharing screen, go to the tab of the API again, and go to that message. I think it's step number 4 or 5. It will be telling you activation code, and I want you to copy the whole lot from letter to numbers only. That you can't miss it. It's very visible. Can you see that?
Okay, I got to log back. I got to click back over to get that. Just a second.
Yeah, same process. You go to API, messages, personal, and then you click on that second message.
Okay.
Brilliant. By the way, guys, do you guys find it useful? Do you find it helpful? If you are getting the same issues, do you find it helpful? Are you learning something from it?
I have it copied.
You copied, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, brilliant. Now you can share the screen.
Okay. Where are we at? Okay.
Okay, brilliant. Now click on activation. You can see that blue activate code. Okay, now what I want you to do, right click on your mouse and paste that one. And now scroll down, it should be able to activate. It should be about to click get product. Before somebody steal this code. Okay, yeah. Brilliant. So now you've done it. Nobody can steal this code. Nobody can use this code ever again. Okay? So brilliant. You can see say product now received successfully. You just click OK. Now, if you go to transactions, if you click transactions on the left-hand side, sometimes it takes few minutes or a few hours to show the transaction, the activation of that code, okay? But now, the next step we need to do, we just now to add your LinkedIn details. Are you ready with those details?
I think I have a couple LinkedIn accounts.
So you need to first join your one, okay? Put your one, because you know the names need to be the same. If you have a double, you see now it shows the process. It shows you now it's processed. Yeah, you can see the transaction that it shows you the business package, etc. And now it's fully processed. So now let's go to the second step, is to go to providers. You see the button say providers. On the left hand, just above transaction. Just above transaction. Oh, you already had.
I thought I went, but I didn't know if it went through or not. That's why.
Yeah, but this is why it probably didn't work, because you didn't have a license which was activated.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So now let's delete all of this. We need to delete all of this. Just click on the red button. We're gonna start fresh.
All these?
Yeah. Delete. Yeah. Okay, brilliant. Now we're going to start afresh, okay? But I want you to connect the LinkedIn account that is belong to you first, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, now you click add.
I put my name and stuff.
And then you need, put your name. And then this is email of your LinkedIn account.
Okay.
Okay. And the password will be the password of your LinkedIn account. You need to sync. If it doesn't sync, you will get an error message.
Okay.
And when you do that, you should get an email. You should get something that says activate or something. They will send you an email to your LinkedIn account. And once you've done that, just click create. Okay. Let's wait, give it a few seconds. Scroll up a bit. Now, if you click, you see the hazard there, the triangle, click on it. Now, every time you see this one, it's because the password you have put is not the password for that LinkedIn account.
Okay.
Okay. So you need to find really the real password or the real email for that. So you can stop sharing your screen and make sure you find it out.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, brilliant. While you're doing that, let me have a look at the other question some people might have. Okay. Okay, so guys, the person, the KR Hapsi, who asked, hello, do I need to share details about company in my LinkedIn account? No, I don't know what can you please clarify? Are you talking about when you set up, when you put the LinkedIn details or whatever? By the way, if you have a business LinkedIn, it doesn't work with it. It needs to be a personal LinkedIn account, not a business LinkedIn account. Okay, it needs to be a personal LinkedIn account.
Okay. That might be.
So K Al-Habsi, if you can clarify your question, because I'm not sure 100%. Okay, guys, so are you finding it valuable, guys? Are you finding it valuable? This session, at the beginning, we had a person, really good example here. I mean, if you can't learn from this one, this is a good example, these two people who have, who shared the problem they're having, really classic example that always happens. So,
okay, so back. I think I got my password.
You've got it, yeah? So share your screen again.
Okay. Come on. Okay.
Just click create. So let it sync. And sometimes if there is the correct password, they will just ask you, there will be a code. They will send you a code in your email, but they will see, great. Okay. Now I know that you have put the right information in. So now what you need to do, what LinkedIn has done now, LinkedIn now have sent you, have made, don't click anywhere. They has, don't click anywhere, just click cancel. All right, what LinkedIn has done, they have suspected that, okay, somebody's trying to access your LinkedIn account. That it's like an API key. It's like you are requesting something else to access your account. So LinkedIn it gets suspicious and they send you an email to your own proper email with a code that you need to enter here. So if you can stop sharing the screen, go to your email, find the LinkedIn email, they will send you a code, just copy that code, because I don't want you to show your email, it could contain some personal stuff. So you can stop sharing the screen, go to the email of LinkedIn, of your that you connected to LinkedIn, the actual email. There will be an email from LinkedIn asking you to confirm that this is you. And then you need to copy that code. And we're gonna, once you copy it, share the screen again, we're gonna paste it in here where you say enter the code.
That was, is it coming to my text message or my email?
No, it comes to your email.
Okay.
For me, it came to my email, but sometimes if you have put some kind of second authentication to be sent the text, they will send you the text, okay? But most of the time it comes to the email address.
Okay, I'll check my email because
yeah, you can check, or you can check your email on your phone if you have that, and then
yeah, I do.
You can just tap that in there.
Ay, na kunde.
Okay.
You found it yet?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Hey, good. Brilliant. So you see, can you go back to console so we can show like people step by step?
Okay.
Just click on console. So you see, guys, when you connect it properly, and this is how you will know that the actual password is correct, you will get this kind of pop-up, enter the code. If you don't get this and you get the little triangle, it means the password you have put in is not the correct one for the LinkedIn account, okay? Or maybe the email or something like that, but it tends to be the password, okay? Now, what he's going to do is going to click enter code, and he's going to use the code they have sent him to his email from LinkedIn, and then it should connect. Now it will connect your LinkedIn account to the data mining center, to the server. Okay, just click submit. And then just to let it roll a bit, it just might take another few seconds, and then I'm gonna show you the next step we're gonna do, and you should be good to go.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Cool. Let's see.
My connection's kind of slow. So.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. The good thing is that your example is great because you're doing the whole process. You see now on this account, it shows you that he has connected and he have retrieved all the information from LinkedIn. They show you that you have 19 contacts. Now, this is very important. I always tell people this: take a screenshot of your first connection, and then make sure you can monitor the process, because in the future, if, for example, you're going to sell this data mining product to somebody, you can show them the record. You can show them, on day one, I was 19, look at day two, you understand? This is like a tool, a marketing tool you can use as well to also sell this product. Because remember, in our back office, if you sell the DM, EIP DM, you also get a commission. So it's very important. It's just a trick that, you can learn. You just take a screenshot and track it every day, because this will be then your marketing tool. When you go to speak to someone, they can see that the tool is actually working. Yeah.
Okay.
So now you can see now the button, it says off is off. You say Howard, next to Howard is off. That means it's not synced yet. It's connected, but it's not activated. The server is not active. What you need to do, you just need to click off. The red button that says off, click on it.
Yeah.
It should turn green. That's it.
Okay.
It should turn green and it just turn on.
Nice.
Okay, let it sync a little bit, and it should take a few hours, and you start to see the little mine thing started to work a little bit at the bottom. So, but this is what you have to do, and you're good to go, my friend. Well done. Well done. So check it tomorrow, check it after tomorrow, and monitor the progress so that in the future you can see the product is working or not. Yeah.
Okay.
Brilliant. So after, I think after a few hours, the data mining will start to work in the background. Thank you very much, Howard. That was brilliant. That was a good example. That was amazing.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for sharing. Yeah. Now, if you have another account, because I can see you had other accounts, but make sure that account is not the same name as you, or is not the same or something like that, because LinkedIn, it will detect duplicated emails or duplicated account. It will just block you. So make sure if you want to add like your family account, that's fine. You just show the same process that I showed Tesfaye a little bit earlier, and you just add the same thing, their email, their name, their LinkedIn email, and then the password for their LinkedIn email, and it will be the same process.
So don't link my data mining to my other accounts, correct?
No, because your other account, it still belongs to you, and I'm imagine it's still the same name.
Yeah, not the same email, but the same name. So
yeah,
should I cancel those out? So do you recommend I cancel those?
What's that?
The other LinkedIn accounts.
Yeah, I mean you can still use it, but
okay.
LinkedIn, if you connect those two, LinkedIn will detect that this device, this data mining is trying to access this to the account, and they might block you because they will see suspicious.
Okay.
When it's two accounts, you create problem. But say for example, if you are married and you have a wife, or if you have a child who's 18 or above, and they have a LinkedIn, you can add their LinkedIn account to your account underneath. If you just click add provided and they fill all the details like you just done, what it will do, it will mine their LinkedIn account and your LinkedIn account, and we add all the total contact together. So when it comes to share revenue, the problem will be that all the revenue will be shared to you because you're the main account holder.
Right.
Yeah. So that's why it is better people to have a different account. So when it comes to revenue sharing, when the company is going to monetize the database and they share the revenue, they will look at the miners, because at the moment you are the main miner, and any account you put underneath, they just contribute towards you.
Okay.
All right. Brilliant. Yep. Great example. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Marshall.
Okay, cool. Let me see. Does anybody who needs help, or who hasn't, who have something different to what Howard just showed us, or who just the process he just went through, or Tesfaye, the process he went through? Okay, I can see Service Pepin. You've got the question. Okay, unmute yourself and show me the problem you have.
Hi, I can talk.
Brilliant. Are you able to share the screen?
Yes, I can share screen. Maybe you can. I'm host. I can.
Yeah. No, you're fine. You can share the screen.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
all right.
Cool. So what is the problem? What is the problem?
Problem is it's something like other guys showing, because where is my screen? Sure. Okay.
Yeah, cool.
So let me go back. You see, there is I don't have a silent sales license.
Yeah, the sales license. What the sales license is? It says no. Okay, let's go to product. Click on product.
You can explain where?
Yeah. On the left-hand side, there's where it says product. I think it's like number. Yeah. Click on there. You see, I don't think your license is activated. Okay, so what we need to do, you have purchased, but you have not activated. You see the process I just went through with Howard. Mm-hmm. Let's go to your back office, API back office. Okay.
Okay.
It literally is gonna be the same process with Howard, but again, click the same thing. You see that arrow? There is that arrow at the top, just next to
there.
Yeah, no, at the top. Oh no, it's in your language. I can't read that.
So I can change it.
Change it to English, please, if it's possible. Yeah, You see, just above partners tools, yeah, partners tools, yeah, just above, yeah, there's an arrow there, a little arrow, gray arrow, just above, just a little, no, just above the partner at the top. There is a menu, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The one you've clicked, no. You see, you've got TNG, you've got TNG group, you've got API. If you continue to go along the way, at the end there is a little black, gray arrow at the top, yeah. So you've got TNG group, API, and continue to go to your right.
Okay.
No, over there, yeah. Continue over there. There is an arrow. There's an arrow. Just click on that little arrow pointing upwards. Not there. It's like an arrow pointing upwards like that.
Hey, I don't know. Sorry.
No. Just you see. Can you see partners too? Don't click anywhere. But can you see partners too? Not the one in the middle. The one, yeah, that one. Click on that. That's
okay.
So you use that one to always kind of shrink so that people can't see everything you have in front of
Okay,
you. Right?
understand. Yes.
Right. Okay. So now, if you go to messages, click on messages.
Yep.
Brilliant. Okay. Now click on the left-hand side. You see personal.
Personal. Yep.
Okay. Now, I guess don't click anywhere. Okay. I guess do you know when you bought the EIPDM?
When I buy data mining.
Yeah.
No,
don't worry. Don't go too much. I'm guessing it's one of those 27th of September. I'm guessing. Okay, don't click.
Okay.
Click, because there are some information I don't want people to see. Okay, only you want to see. Right. So I want you to stop sharing the screen.
Okay.
All right.
So.
And then I want you to click that second message. Now that nobody can see that second message, click on that second message and read for me what you see.
It's for Eventy.
Okay, maybe it's that email number 2 then at the top, number 1.
Okay. Yes, data mining.
Brilliant. So now, when you see number 1, it will tell you that click this personal link. I want you to click on it and open that tab.
Follow the individual link, yes?
Yeah, but that one you have already used it. Okay, what we need now, we need an activation code. I think it's the point number 4 or number 3. There is an activation code which is long letters and numbers.
Okay, but where I can get this activation code?
You can see there. It's in that list.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yep.
Okay. Now I want you to copy that. Highlight it and copy that one. Yeah.
Yes, I copy.
Brilliant. So now share the screen. Oh no. Hold on. Yeah. Don't share the screen of your API Academy. Share the screen of your Digital Double website.
Yes. Okay. Now I can share screen. Share screen.
Brilliant. Okay. So now, what? Hang on a minute. So what service he have done? He has bought the AIP package, and he has followed the step number 1. Okay. He have followed step number 1. He clicked. He opened the account, created an account on Digital Double. But what he didn't do, he did not activate the code. He did not activate the packages. Okay. So at the moment, that's why the LinkedIn is still off and everything. It works well. You put the right password and everything, but the Digital Double, it doesn't know that you have actually bought a package. You have actually bought a license. So now we're going to activate your license. So the Digital Double, we know, okay, this person has bought the package, because remember, it's 2 different systems. We've got Digital Double and we've got API. That's why we use that activation code, is to sync these 2 accounts. Okay. Now what you need to do, you just need to click activate code.
Okay.
Okay. From there, now right click and paste the code you copied, and scroll a bit down and click get the product. No, that's not the one. That's not the one. That's not the one. I want you to copy the long one.
Oh, long one.
Yeah, what you just copy is invitation code.
Okay,
but please don't share screen.
Yeah, okay, then I stop share my screen.
Stop sharing the screen, yeah.
Okay.
And then copy that long one, okay?
Okay.
And then you can share the screen after.
Yes, I can share my screen.
Brilliant.
Share my screen.
Super. So now you can just press it and click get product. Brilliant. Now you have activated your license. Now, now Digital Double know that you actually bought the license. So if you click on transaction, it might take a few seconds. You see now, it is showing. Yes. Remember at the beginning, there wasn't showing nothing there, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So now, go back to providers. Yeah. Okay, now we might have to repeat this process again, okay? So if you click delete, just click delete.
Delete, yeah?
Yeah, we're gonna restart it again because, you know, it won't be able to sync. You just go to put your name, the LinkedIn account, email, LinkedIn account password, etc.
Okay.
Brilliant. Okay, just let it sync a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
And you might get the code to say to connect, but because you have already done it before, it might not ask you that. But let's see what happens. It might just take a little bit time. You are not getting any warning, but you might get this grayish button. It will turn a little bit red. Okay, a little bit later. Sometimes it takes, for some people it takes some time.
Okay.
When this button turn red, you can click on it and it will just turn on, and that's it, and then you'll be done. And at some point, this sales license will turn on.
Okay.
But even if it's not going to show that it's on, you will see the mine. It will start to mine once the it shows on there. Okay. Sometimes it might take a few minutes. All right. Mm-hmm. So you can just refresh a little bit, or we can come back to you a little bit. Just keep monitoring that. When it shows red, just let me know, and then we can show the people again the whole process. Yeah.
Okay. Then right now a little bit wait, and then
a little bit wait. Keep refreshing and see if it has turned red, to be able to be clickable, and then you show. But are you sure the password is correct? Yeah, everything is correct.
Yes.
Okay, brilliant. So just stop share the screen. Let's see if there is somebody else, and keep monitoring for me. And when it show red, let me know. Then we can.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. That's good. But your license now is activated, so that's brilliant.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So let's see.
Okay, then I can right now stop.
Yeah, you can stop sharing the screen right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, cool. All right. So I see. Did not need to be improved. Okay. No, if you're talking about KR Habsi, okay, if you're talking about that, the people, the family members you are adding need to be part of EvoReach or not. No, if you're only adding their LinkedIn account, they do not have to be part of the EvoReach. You can add the family member, but it needs to be a very close family member, husband or wife, children. Those family members, you can't add the cousins, you can't add the sisters. It needs to be that close. At the moment, that's what it is. And it's because it's due to some regulations, okay? So now how they're gonna prove in the future if they will be able to do the audit, and they will see, and you have to prove it if there is a suspicious you have to prove it that it is your wife or children or something like that. Okay. Right. Okay, so does anybody else who want, or you all, because really honestly they most of the problem people get are these problems we just identified and then we solved. Another one that tend to come is that people buy the license but they do not have a LinkedIn account, and they just buy the license, it's there, so they don't know how to connect, they don't know how to where is what. Okay, but if you are that person, you can let me know. Then you need to open, but you need to have at least one social network, which is LinkedIn. You need to have an account with LinkedIn. Okay, you are Adrian. Can you share, Adria? Can you share your screen, Adria? Because I can see I am way turned red with off written what's next. Just share your screen and I'll have a look. Yeah, you can unmute yourself and you can share your screen. I think for you, you have done most of the step. We just need to I just need to show you and make other people. I'm unable on a mobile. Okay, so if you're on a mobile, if you have the red, assuming that you have done every step correctly, if you have followed what I've just shown, especially with Howard's example is a good example because we study from creating an account with yeah. So
yes.
What you need to do, you just click the off. If it's red, click on the off. It will turn green. We turn it to on, and it will turn green, and that's it. That's what you need to do. So are you there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Just click on that off. It should turn on and green. It should be green.
Oh yes. Yeah.
It is now. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
Brilliant. That's what you needed to do.
All right. Thanks.
Yeah, and then now it will start to mine. And like I say to Howard, make sure you take a screenshot of your day one of mining, how many contacts you had, so you can continue to monitor the progress.
Yeah.
But that is going to be like your marketing tool to show that the product works.
It works. Yes. Thanks. Yeah? I've done that.
Yeah. Brilliant. Thank you.
Thank
you. All right. So we'll be going on for an hour right now. So are you finding these useful, guys? Just put a plus if you find these sessions useful. Brilliant. Good stuff. So 3 people already. I don't know how many other people managed to do this while we were doing it. How many people who had the problem, pretty much same problem, and they managed to connect also, to link their accounts? How many? So far, the 3 people is, how many of you? Because 3 people who managed to connect their license right now. And now I can tell you guys, I want you to imagine that every contact you mine, every contact you add to your social network is a $ representation, because in the future, you're going to get paid just because of the contacts you have, right? Whether they speak your language or not, okay, it doesn't matter really, because when the digital double, and you've heard during the event that now the digital double Inc. they go ahead in the whole of Europe, okay, to go ahead with the data protection act, yeah? So they have had to go ahead. So you can start to mine people, because this is the money you're leaving on the table if you are not connecting your data mining, yeah? Or if you're not buying the data mining, you are leaving like potential passive income in the future, you leaving on the table. Yeah, Howard, I think what you need to do for that question you just asked me, you need to contact support, and they should be able to do that. If not, if you show the proof, write me on the WhatsApp. Oh, sorry, on the Facebook. I think I've got you on the Facebook, and then maybe I might be able to send you proof to the another department, and maybe they might be able to help. Okay. I did not from first week and have over 3,000. Wow, Ruta, you've got over 3,000 people, and then you did not do it from the first week. Amazing. Well done. Well done. Well done. Okay, so let me see. Imagine now, Ruta, if you have been monitoring from day one. I hope you've been doing it. If you have been monitoring from day one, how many contacts is been adding every day, that would be a very powerful promotional tool you can show to any business, any customer who wants, who can benefit from the data mining. Because data mining is adding contact. It's like a contact list you have in your disposal. Now, if you have a very attractive product you want to sell to the people, you can, because remember, there are your contact. There are your contact. I think, I'm not sure 100%, Peter. Peter is asking what is the limit of connection on LinkedIn. Not sure 100%, but I think it's something like 15,000, 25,000. I'm not sure 100%. Does anybody here know what is the limit? I know on Facebook is 5,000 before you go to the page, but LinkedIn, I'm not sure 100%. Does anybody know what's the maximum? 30,000. Somebody said 30,000. Yeah, it's about that. I think it's 30,000. Yeah, 30,000. Here we go. Thanks a lot, guys. So Peter, here you go. Your answer, I think it's 30,000. Many people have said 30,000. I knew it was about, 15, 25, and 30 around that time. That good stuff. Cool. Yeah, 30,000 people. Imagine if you can max out, the LinkedIn account, and then you max out Facebook account, and now you saw that Alex, the CEO, have kind of hinted that YouTube also is coming. And YouTube at the moment, I don't think you have a limit. Some people have millions of followers. So imagine, this is the money you're leaving on the table, guys. The data mining at the moment is so cheap, it's so affordable compared to what is potential income revenue for you in future, just because you purchase only one time off. And by the way, guys, you do not need to be part of a VIP membership club. From the 1st of October, going to infinite time, to indefinite time, you can buy the DM package without being part of the VIP club. So use this opportunity, guys. Use this opportunity. Yes, if you subscribe to the premium, but the premium is not cheap and is not affordable for everybody. But if you use it, if you want really to generate a lot of contact, which I have as well, you need to use the premium. It's about £65. I don't know in dollars how much it's going to be, but it's not for everybody. But even if without it, you will be able to generate the contact. It's a tool that is going to work for you while you sleep. It's going to continue to add people while you sleep, whether you are wherever you are. So it's a leverage. You are leveraging this tool, DM robot, DM bot. You are leveraging it. And when the API digital double comes into force, and it's going to happen this month, unless anything change. So when that happens, now this tool is going to be recruiting, like adding people, talking to people on your behalf, like get them interested in the business in our API Academy or Average, right? And our CEO, he's the one who's writing this script. I mean, who's the best recruiter in our business than our CEO? Our CEO is our CEO, but he's still recruiting himself personally on a personal level. So he leads by example. He's a master of that. So he's writing the script. So with that tool, it will be able to recruit for you as well. How good is that? on your front level. Now, if you are someone who's, you say, look, I'm not a recruiter. Now you're going to have a tool you can leverage, you can use. When it comes, grab it. Now, most of the people who have the business license, they will be able to upgrade to the Digital Double API Academy, and you will just pay the difference. You will just pay because the Digital Double API, it will include data mining and the Digital Double together, because you cannot have Digital Double without having data mining package. You cannot have it without it. Okay. Okay, super. Service, please, can you show the people if it shows on? So I want the people to see. Okay, are you able to share the screen and then show the people that it has actually turned on, my friend? Yeah, just to show the people that it works.
Okay.
And they've seen the process and etc. Thank you.
Wait.
Brilliant.
Yes, did you see?
Well done.
But where is us?
Yeah, the license, that one is gonna take time, but don't worry about it, because now it will start to mine in the background.
Mm-hmm.
It will turn over time. It will turn to yes. Don't worry about this one. It will be mining. What I want you to do, take a screenshot, and then you check tomorrow, and after tomorrow you see, and then sometimes you need to click this refresh button, green button, to kind of refresh, and then you see the contact. So monitor it. And then in the future, you can use this as a marketing tool to show people your progress that this tool is work. Okay?
Yes.
Well done. Well done. Thank you for sharing, and I appreciate that.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Yeah. Amazing. Amazing. Okay. Let me see. Okay, guys. So I don't see many other questions, and I hope you have learned with this. And then if there is a demand, we're going to do a lot of these ones. Okay, but this webinar is recorded, and it will be shared hopefully on our Evo-Reach main or new main YouTube channel, so you can have a look and you can follow it step by step. It's very easy, especially with the example of Howard's that we done, and with service, and what was the name of the other chap? So Testify, this example, it covers quite a lot of problem many people are having. Okay, if you click that triangle and then you see that is a warning, and you click on it, say bad password, is because the password you put in is not the password you actually have for your LinkedIn account. Okay, but amazing, great example today, guys, and thank you very much for sharing, especially for the volunteer who shared their screen. Amazing stuff. So Ruta, she's asking, what is sales license for on the LinkedIn? So it says the sales license is the sales navigator. Okay, that's the sales navigator. Sales navigator basically is a tool, is like a paid version tool for LinkedIn. It's nothing to do with us, but it helps you to get in contact with a lot of people. It gives you like more access. It's pretty much like on a Facebook. So businesses who are paying like business ads, who are paying like a paid advert, they pay a premium in order to have a wider access to the Facebook without limitation. Okay, that's what it is. And LinkedIn is the sales navigator is a tool for LinkedIn to monetize, also to allow some of the people, especially recruitment agencies or some other businesses or headhunters who want to target specific individuals without having to go through. So they can pick and they can highlight the people they want, and then they will have access to quality individuals. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Good. I can see another one, and I'm gonna take the time for you because this is the person is saying they're new to VIP. By the way, you do not need to be a member of the VIP anymore from the 1st of October to buy the data mining package. Okay. But let me see if I can share my screen, and I can show you how you can buy it. Okay, this is another example for somebody who has not bought it, which is great, because this is going to close the meeting with a good example. How this person can buy it. Let me just share my screen. Okay, super. Just give me a few seconds to log in into my account, API account. Okay, so okay, so if you are in API back office, yes. So what you need to do, you might have, again, like I was saying, you can click this arrow to show all the details, but you don't need that. So you see here, you say EIPs, you click on EIPs, and then you, on the left-hand side, okay, you can see on the left-hand side here, you can see EIP crew. The EIP DM is under EIP crew. So if you click that arrow down, you have all these options. Okay, you can see this EIP DM. You click EIP DM, and then what you need to do, you've got these packages. Okay, now I always advise, you see, for me, because I've already bought it, it doesn't allow me to buy it again. Okay, because it's only one license per a user. Okay, so now I always advise people to buy this license. Okay, why? Because this license, not only that is really affordable compared, it allows you to have unlimited friends. Okay, it allows you to max out to number of contact in many social network, unlimited social network, and you can add also family members. So this is a no-brainer. And also, in order to have the digital double API, you will need to have the business license. Okay, you need to have the business license. So it's a very valuable. So if I can advise anyone, again, I have done the same. I'm not advising you to do what I haven't done. If I advise anybody, is you buy this one, the business package, because it gives you a lot of stuff. So if I did not buy that, for example, let me see the person who asked the question. So if you want to buy, and then you just click buy. So what's the name? Maps. So what you need to do, you just click buy. Okay, you just click buy and follow the process like you're buying any other ERP. The same process. Okay, but that's where you found it. Okay, did I answer your question? Okay, did I answer your question? I just the maps, Rafili. Okay. Says Navigator is only for monthly. Yes, Ruta. Says Navigator is a monthly membership. So, but they give you 1 month free. Okay, you have 1 month free membership, but sometimes people forget, and when you forget, you just just take the money from your account. Or if you think you can connect with I don't know, an account which doesn't have a balance, so when you try it, you can't do it, but you will need to cancel it like within a month, before the month, before it generates. Okay, but it's a monthly subscription. That's why you need to think carefully before you do it. All right, brilliant. We've done 4 example possible. You see, the person who want to buy again maps. I hope that you have seen the process I've shown you with Howard's example. So you purchase, once you purchase, you need to follow like I show Howard, and the process to activate your license. Okay, and then you connect your LinkedIn and you activate. You activate your license first, and then you connect. You click on provider, add the provider. You put your LinkedIn details, email, name, and password for LinkedIn, and you will be good to go. And the button will be gray off, and then you just wait some time, and you just click. If you have followed the example or we showed with Howard, you will be good to go. All right. Brilliant. Okay, guys, we've been going on for 1 hour, 25 minutes. I hope you find this very, very, very useful. And thanks a lot for all the volunteers who have shared the screen, who have shared the issue they were having. It was amazing. It was amazing to help you. It was amazing to see that I managed to solve the issues. Now go out there and enjoy, continue to add, continue to mine. And yeah, I see you at the top, and I see you when we're going to be enjoying, at the time when we're going to be enjoying our passive income from being a data miner, guys. Okay, have a good evening, everyone, and thanks a lot, Gail, for organizing this. Brilliant stuff. So I'll see you on Friday. Make sure that you attend the Friday webinar with the whole international. It's gonna be in 5 different languages. So make sure you attend, because there will be a lot of good news announced, and we're gonna cover a lot of stuff. We're gonna do a little bit presentation about the data mining, and if you have new people who don't understand about data mining, you can send them there. But we will also be sharing some news, and there will be the CEO, and there will be the Vice President of Data Digital Double, and it will be myself and the Boris as well. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. I love you. I will see you next time. Cheers, bye.